This is called sperm, which is world's most powerful liquid substance. On the other hand, this is called eggs, which releases by woman in every month. The fertilization of a woman egg is very dramatic. So today in this video, I will discuss how actually a woman egg fertilized. So welcome to today's new episode. Penetration. The first condition to fertilize an egg is penetration. That means the sperm need to penetrate egg. When the sperm penetrates the egg, the surface of the egg changes so that no other sperm can enter here. At the moment of fertilization, the baby's gender also formed within a week. The cells start to divide. The fertilized egg starts to growing first and divided into many cells. Then after 3 to 4 days, it leaves the fallopian tube and enters the uterus. Baby's development. After the egg attaches to the uterus, some cells become the placenta, while others become the embryo. After that, the baby developed gradually from week 5 to week 40, which grow from embryo to complete baby. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe.